In the world of ITSM, the challenge of responding to repeated inquiries weighed heavily on dedicated agents. Even companies sought swift solutions that handle recurring issues, freeing time for complex issues. Introducing Wolken Bot, it revolutionizes your request query management. Faster assistance and your agent's helping hand. Wolken Bot is an expert in finding information tailored to your specific IT service requirements. From Wolken's knowledge database providing a summary, saving you from sifting through tons of documents. It doesn't just get data, it gives you details that match your precise ITSM needs. It can search your service request list, provide detailed insights, and even perform specific actions related to your request. Whenever a user finds a solution to a recurring request challenge, it can quickly turn that insight into helpful comments. It understands your questions just like a human would. Now, imagine never missing important updates. Whether it's critical information or updates on your requests, Wolken Bot keeps you updated. And guess what? You don't have to repeat your story every time. Wolken Bot remembers your history. Wolken Bot can make things happen quickly. Whenever users seek green light for a crucial request, it swiftly routes crucial requests to live agents for efficient processing and authorization. And last, but not least, it offers a seamless transition to live agent chat for queries beyond its capabilities. Say goodbye to information overload and hello to streamlined efficiency. Try the Wolken IQ today.